Hey everyone, I'm going to show you, in case you're absent or you just need the instructions, how we're going to MLA format your document today, add a works cited page, and also how to submit it to paper for review for Monday. So the first thing you're going to want to do is bring up your outline that should have all 5 of your paragraphs written, and you're going to make a copy of that. And then you're going to name that copy Born a Crime Essay Rough Draft. So what you're going to do once you have the file created is you're going to start by deleting all of the writing that is not yours. So anything that I wrote here, you can delete. And basically we're taking this outline and putting it into paragraph form. So if you look here, this is going to be my first paragraph. I'm going to delete all the stuff that I don't need. Make sure that there are spaces between the ends of your sentences and the start of the next one. So this part will take you a couple minutes. And then when you get to your next paragraph, nope, that's just a duplicate. When you get to the next one, same thing. Make sure at the start of your paragraph you tab, which is next to the Q key. So I'm going to pause the video here, otherwise it's going to take several minutes of you just watching me backspace. Come back to this video when you're done and you have that set up. Okay, once you have your doc looking something like this, where you have 5 separate paragraphs, if you remember, I told you we wrote one of the paragraphs out of order, and that was the second paragraph. So what I want you to do is copy that, Control C, delete it, and then move that paragraph to be the 4th paragraph, or the second to last. So it's like that. It'll just flow a little bit better that way. Once you have that all set up, it's time to add our works cited page. So you're going to create a page break. You can do that by putting your cursor at the end and hitting Control Enter. And then you're going to go up here to Tools and down to Citations. We're going to do MLA, and we're going to add a book access by print. And then it's going to ask you for a number. You can find that number on the back of your book where the barcode is, but here it is if you can't find it. It's 9780525282199. And then this should look right, and you're going to hit Cite, and then you're going to add source citation, and then you're going to click Insert Works Cited. So now we have our citation for the book, but there is one more thing we need to cite, and that is the interview that you conducted. So how you're going to do that is you're going to set it up this way. So go below that one, and you're going to put the person you interviewed, you're going to put their last name first, comma, then their first name, period. Then you're going to write personal interview, period. Then you're going to put the date that you interviewed them. So just, for example, you might put 15 space OCT for October, period, 2024, period. Now, if your person's last name comes alphabetically before Noah, you're going to put this works cited entry above Trevor Noah. If it comes alphabetically after, you're going to put it after. So you'll have to format that based on what your interview was about. Then what you're going to do every time you quoted the person you interviewed, so for example right here, you're going to put in a citation just like you did for the book. You don't have page numbers this time. You're going to put that person's last name in the parentheses every time you quote something from your interview, just like that. Next thing we're going to do is MLA format. If your font is all different like this, we're going to hit Control A, change that font to either Arial size 11 or Times New Roman size 12. Remove all the highlights so that everything is the same color. We're going to double space everything, so if you hit Control A, it's going to grab everything. You can double space it. Above your first paragraph, so if you hit enter once and move your cursor here and backspace, this is where you're going to put your first and last name. You're going to put my name, Miss Weigel. Then you're going to put English 095, and then the date of submission, which is 1 space November space 2024. Hit enter one more time. Move your mouse to the center, and here you're going to give your essay a title and have it centered. I'm not going to tell you what that should be. Do something based on what you wrote about. Last thing we're going to do here is the page number. So you're going to go to Insert, go down to Page Numbers, select this first one, and then on the left side of the number you're going to put your last name and click Out. So now you should have an MLA formatted document. What you're going to do is go to File, Download, and select PDF. There was going to be a link in Classroom that goes to Paper, and it's going to show you your assignment. So you're going to click on that assignment, and then all you have to do, because I already gave Paper all the instructions for your assignment, all you have to do is go here and click Start Assignment. Give your work a title. It's in English. And then this is just where you can let your tutor know if there's anything you're particularly worried about. So like, I'm not sure if I picked the best evidence, I'm not sure about the claims in my topic sentences, whatever, type something there. Click Browse Files, find that document you just downloaded as a PDF, and then you're going to click Submit Work. And then that should be what you need to do.